Great job, boys and girls. I loved seeing your thinking for solving your math word problem. I'm just going to go over a couple of different strategies. Make sure that you got the same answer that I did. If you didn't, remember you can always go back to this lesson and you can try again, or you can just have your mom or dad or somebody at your house make up a word problem for you to practice. So it said 4 kids were playing at the park. Later, 5 more kids came to the park to play. How many kids are playing at the park now? Well, I can tell that what they're wanting me to do is to put groups together. They're wanting us to do addition or to add, because we have a group of 4 kids that are already at the park, and then 5 more kids, a group of 5, are being added to that, and they want to know how many kids are at the park now. So I know that the important numbers for sure are 4 and 5. And remember, we have some different strategies that we can use. One of the easiest ones that we can use is we can just draw a picture. And just like our video said a little while ago in our lesson today, that we don't draw fancy pictures, we just draw circles or dots. So I'm going to draw 4. So here's my group of 4, because those are the kids that are already at the park. And then the second group is 5 that comes to the park. So if I put 4 and 5 together, well, how many is that? Well, I can count each one. I could count each dot. I could also count on, which I like to do. That kind of helps us get ready for first grade. So I want to go ahead and get 4 in my head, because I know that this group is 4, and then I'm going to count on. So I have 4, and then this makes 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. So that is a strategy that I use for counting on. Okay, I drew a picture and then I counted on. So did you get a sum of 9? Okay, another way is we could just draw a 10 frame, which is a rectangle, and then I make a line in the middle from the left to the right, and then I make 4 lines down from the top to the bottom. And I start with 4. So there's the 4. Okay, and then you can pick a new color, but you don't have to. And then I need to put my other group, which is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a group of 4 and a group of 5. And I don't even have to count to know how many that is. How many is that in that 10 frame? Yes, it is 9. And I know that because this box right here is empty, which means it is 1 less than 10, which is 9. So we got 9 again, didn't we? Okay, good. Another strategy is we could make a number line. So again, we started with how many kids? We started with 4 kids, right? 4 kids were playing at the park. Okay, and then 5 more kids joined. So I need to make 5 jumps. So remember, when you make your number line, make a straight line, and then you put your ticks or your hash marks. And we're going to start with 4 because that's how many kids were already at the park. And now I need to jump 5 more places. So I'm going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have my 5 jumps. But now I got to figure out what is that number. So here I am at 4, and I'm going to count on 4. When 1 more makes 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, And did I end up with 9 as my answer or as my sum? I did. So our answer or our sum is 9. So there are 9 kids playing at the park now. Okay, we answered that question. And now we need our number sentence or our equation. So we started with 4 kids. We added 5 more kids. And now that equals 9. So if I have a group of 4 and I add a group of 5 together, that is 9. I now have 9. Great job, boys and girls. I'm so proud of how hard that you are working. Keep working hard. Keep it up.